Hey everyone, welcome back. Just a quick video on the flex on the group head of this Victoria Arduino E1 Prima. There's been a few comments regarding this, so I'll show you now what it does. So if you put a downward force on the handle, yes, it does flex. I'm pretty sure I could rip the thing off as well if I put my whole body weight on it, but why would you? The only way that there should be an up and down force on the group head is when you put it in. That's it. But if you go left and right, it doesn't work, doesn't flex. But if you go up and down, of course it flexes. I think my E61 does the same, and I'm pretty sure Linear Mini does the same as well if you put a downward force on the handle. So I don't think that's an issue. If you are in the market for one of these machines, that shouldn't be a consideration. Yes, it does move a little bit, as I said, but why would you? I have never put downward force on it. It's always up. That's it. Down.